Democracy for Citizens Party youth leader James Kawanjiru and Thiga have been released on a 50,000 shillings bail after courts found insufficient evidence in terrorism cases linked to the 25th of June protests. Here's that report.
Youth leaders James Kawanjiru and Thiga of the Democracy for Citizens Party (DCP) were released on Wednesday by the Kahawa law courts on a cash bail of 50,000 shillings each. The magistrate Gideon Kiage ruled that there were no sufficient or reasonable grounds to justify their continued detention. The two had previously been granted bond by the Kiambu and Ruiru courts after being charged with offences related to unlawful assembly and rioting during the June 25, 2025 protests. However, they were immediately rearrested and brought before the Kahawa court, where they faced new charges under the Prevention of Terrorism Act. Authorities leveled terrorism charges against James Kawanjiru and Thiga, citing their alleged drones in inciting and leading the June 25th protest that quickly turned violent. The government argues that the deliberate destruction of key public facilities during the demonstration amounted to acts of terrorism, given the threat such actions pose to state stability and the rule of law. Opposition leaders have strongly condemned the terrorism charges, with the Bakassi East MP Babu Owino accusing the ODPP of being manipulated by the executive to praise unfounded terrorism charges on innocent citizens, including fishermen, students, and boda riders. Owino warned this is a deliberate attempt to intimidate opposition ahead of elections.
The question begs that by charging these innocent Kenyans, these fishermen, and boda riders with terrorism, is the DPP promoting public interest and confidence?
The case raises serious questions about political interference and the growing use of terrorism charges to silence innocent protesters demanding accountability from the government. Edna Nerea, KUTV,